Darwin's theory of evolution.
Survival of the fittest, based on his little trip to the Galapagos, no longer applies on this planet. The human race doesn't have to survive.
How you doing today, Nick? First day of 2019. You feeling different?
Feeling different, dude. I feel a whole nother year older. New year, new me.
Look at the street bike.
Hey, my name's Nick. I don't think we ever met before. This is 2019. I'm the new
Bro, this thing's gonna boot you right to that landing, bro.
Yeah, you can't even ride no more. It's like,
I just wish it was easier to come out of that corner, man.
try to push yourself and your fucking bike's all over the track.
Bro, it's gonna make it so easy to clear, I think. Alright, go test her out, Tanner.
Yeah, take a jewel rip.
Fucking beautiful day. You heard it?
Yeah, it's not that bad.
I know, it's fun. Over here in the sand pit right now, we took a break from the asphalt.
I don't feel comfortable on it anymore. I want to pin it, but then like...
Just float it, bro. Just go fast before it. And just float right up it.
went for the whole time. That was wild. Take my round here. Later. Later. Okay, go.
This is risky business, pushing this thing in every time, trying to do it fragile, but this is, whew, there's some dust on it now, but okay, got it in here. Going to get it lifted up, get this thing propped up and ready to go in. So quest to fix the neon continues. Will we figure out anything tonight? I don't know. But I'm just going to be filming every time I come down to work on the car. I'm just going to start filming a little bit. Try and keep you guys up to date with how long and what actually ends up fixing this thing. And if I change anything, I don't know if I'm going to yet. But I might just get it running first and then go to doing like cams and maybe some E85 lines, something like that. But yeah, we're gonna stick with getting it running first, guys. Let's get her back to life. But I gotta say, man, this place is really something else. We get a better picture out here. Shoot me a follow on the gram at Boostin' Bikes. Talking about motorsports, you know the deal. Got the other car over there and the truck that's gonna be the next project after this. Quick update for you guys. So if you watched the last video, you know the barn build WRX is gone, sadly. But ironically, I was actually getting his bumper wrapped for Christmas professionally by our buddy Rare Wraps. Go follow him on Instagram, Rare Wraps. Did a beautiful job. So as you can see, our stock 04 bumper with this forget what lip this is. Honestly, I bought it for him last year. Looks pretty sick, and man, this wrap job came out perfect. I mean, look at this. Look at that glass. Beautiful. First thing we need to do is I'm on the quest to get this thing to get fuel again. And I found out that's exactly what I done. So basically, I primed the car, I tried cranking it, and I was seeing if I got any fuel out of this feed line, and I wasn't getting anything out of the feed line. So for some reason this thing doesn't build up fuel pressure. Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator there, so it's pretty easy to tell if I'm getting fuel pressure, but I'm really not. And I had the tank out, and I already checked to make sure that the fuel pump was spraying, because I had to modify it to fit the return line. So you can see here I got 2 bulkheads on here, and this is all working properly. So we're gonna put it back in and see if we get any fuel. And there we go. Fuel tank is back in. Only took about 20 minutes. I started doing it by myself and got it most of the way up there, as you saw in that time lapse. And then I had my brother come and help me. So it's back in. I'm gonna hook this up. I've got to hook these big dash, I believe it's dash 8, using and fittings and just some stainless steel braided line. I'm gonna upgrade this. Drop some opinions what you think about this little Russell Performance fuel filter. I don't know if this might have been something with my issue here. Tank is up here. Now I just gotta get my two fuel lines back on. I got this one started. I'm gonna get the return on, tighten these both up, and I'm actually gonna take this power line down for that whole fuel pump relay setup I had up there. I'm gonna take that down, and we're gonna crank it and see if we get any fuel pressure. So now, as I start to diag this, after today, I know that one, my fuel pump's good, I know the bulkheads on my modded canister are good, and so far I know that my fuel feed line is fine. All the fittings are good. So I'm gonna get this back in there, tighten these up, start it, and we'll go from there, guys. If we still don't, I'm gonna have to swap out that Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator to see if maybe that's what's causing it. I don't know. Drop a comment below if you wrench like me and all the people I hang out with. Get up to the jump box here, since I don't. I need to get a new battery. My last PC 680, I let that one die. So we're about to. Boom. Car's got power. Should have a light on in there. Light is on. And let's see if I'm not even gonna hook it up to the fuel rail yet. See if we get anything out of our fuel pump. I don't even care if it sprays all over the car, because then at least I know I'm gonna get fuel. So let's see, everyone. Drum roll, please. Keys are right here. Nothing. Well, test for tonight failed. After that, I know that my fuel pump's good. That's it. That's all I got for you guys.